Okay, now let's create a configuration file, and we can do that with tsc and then dash dash init. So what this does is it creates a tsconfig file, which can look a little bit intimidating at first. It has a lot of stuff, most of it's commented out. And honestly, right now, there is not a lot that you actually need to know when you're just getting started. But if you look at the compiler option, here the target is set to ES 2015. So that's why when we compile JavaScript, we had a var instead of let. And if I were to change that, let's say to ES6 or ES16, that stands for ECMAScript 2016. And I'll save, so I'm gonna run the compiler. By the way, you can just say tsc. You don't have to specify the file, and it will just compile any TypeScript file within the folder. All right, so we have our ES16 JavaScript code, and yeah, var has become elet. All right, so it's up to you what version you want to use. You can use ES5, ES6. You can actually, with a keyboard, control space on Windows or command space on Mac. You can actually see all the values that you can use here. So if, let's say, you want to use ES5, you can use ES5. And then let's see how JavaScript okay, I'm just going to repeat. And then we have the source map. You can end comment to this, and what it does is it will create a source map, and basically it can be good for debugging once you're coding and once you get started with actually writing your code.